Cannabis-infused scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cannabis-infused oil or butter, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: shredded cheese, chopped herbs, or diced vegetables for added flavor. Instructions: crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them together until they are well beaten. Heat the cannabis-infused oil or butter in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil or butter is hot, pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Use a spatula to continuously stir the eggs, scraping the bottom of the pan as you go. This will help prevent the eggs from sticking and will ensure that they cook evenly. When the eggs are nearly set but still slightly runny, remove the pan from the heat. Continue to stir the eggs for a few more seconds until they finish cooking from the residual heat. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and add any additional toppings such as shredded cheese, herbs, or vegetables. It is important to note that the potency of the cannabis-infused oil or butter will vary depending on the type and quality of the cannabis used, as well as the extraction method. As a result, it is recommended that individuals consume cannabis-infused foods in moderation and wait at least an hour before consuming more, as the effects may take longer to take effect compared to smoking or vaping. Additionally, it is important to follow any laws or regulations in your jurisdiction regarding the use of cannabis.